What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing King Bob-omb from Super Mario. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page we're going to draw two ovals for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. From the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom of the eye, and then bend that all the way back up toward the top. Let's leave a small gap in between the eyes and draw that same size oval on the right. So we're going to start by lining up the top, come down towards the same height, and then back up. Now I want to add that large mustache, so I'm going to start in the center with a point. Let's start with the left side. We're going to go up towards the eye, bend this down, and I'm just going to curl that back up towards the tip. Let's take this shape and flip it over on the right. Starting back from the center, we're going to go up, bend this down, and then curl that up. Let's draw the bottom of the mustache. Starting back on the left, bend this down. I'm going to pull this up in towards the center, right about there. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming down towards the same height, go all the way around, and we're going to curl that up. Now from here, we're going to layer a large circle for the head in behind that mustache. So let's start on the left side, curl this around and in. Just going to round up the head, go all the way around, come down and in on the right side. Let's close off the bottom. We're going to start back on the left side underneath, curl this down, and then up. Now we're going to place the crown on top of the head. We're going to start in the middle at the very top from the point. Curve this out and then down toward the left, out and then down towards the right. Now from here, we're going to angle this up with a straight line towards our left and right side. And then we're going to come down and then in on top of the head. Let's add a trim across the bottom. It's going to trace the head going across and then down. Let's add a circle in the center. And we'll trace that circle on the inside. Let's add a gemstone along either side. On the left, bend this out and then in. Now we're going to come all the way down towards the bottom and draw in the legs. We're going to leave a large gap in the center. Let's start on the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and then down towards the ankle. Go to the right side. Do the same thing towards the same height. Let's round out the bottom of the legs. And I'm going to follow that same curve going up and then back in underneath the head. We're going to add a thick cuff around the ankles. On the left side, I'm going to step up. Let's draw an oval. Going all the way around and then in along the inside. Let's go to the inside of the cuff. We're going to curve the heel, coming in and then down towards the bottom of the feet. And then round up the heel. On the left, bend this down and then up. Let's go back to the left side, bend this down. We're going to curl the shoe, coming up and then in. Bend this down and then in. Now we're going to go to the outside of the cuff, bend the foot, going out and then down in behind that fold. Now we're going to take that and flip it over on the right. Starting from here, curl this down, go all the way around, and then bend that in, come down, in, and close off the top of the foot. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top and draw in the arms. Just up above the tip of the mustache, we're going to bend the arm going out, and then down. Let's round up the bottom of the arm just like we did with the legs. We're going to follow this curve going up, in behind the mustache, and then in between. Let's add a thick cuff around the wrist. On the left, we're going to step up. Let's draw that oval. And then from the inside, we're going to draw a half circle for the thumb, coming in and then back out. Close off the end with a bracket. Now we're going to draw the outside of the hand. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, curve this all the way around, go out, and bend that in underneath the cuff. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right side. and a little Santa art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw King Bob from Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed today's lesson, then you're really going to love what's happening inside the Sketch Club on School. And right now you can access all our courses and workshops for free for 7 full days just by visiting. I'll leave the link for you down in the description below, and I look forward to seeing you inside the club.